How to enable check-in on Facebook page. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is obviously you have to open up your Facebook. After that, make sure you are logged in with your Facebook page. If you haven't logged in, then you can simply tap on the profile icon with hamburger option in the right upper corner, and from here you can switch to your page. After that, you have to tap on the name of your page. After that, here you can scroll down below and you'll be able to see the post, about, photos and more option. Among them, you have to tap on the about option over here. After doing this, you have to scroll down below and here you'll be able to see the edit public details option. Simply tap on that. After that, once again you have to scroll down below and here you'll be able to see the edit your about info. So tap on that. You'll be able to see the contact info option where there is add address option, so tap on that. So in order to enable check-in, you have to simply update your location over here. So you have to enter your street and enter your city, add zip or add your map location. After adding that, you have to tap on save, and in this way you can enable check-in on Facebook page. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.